Good afternoon. Today we will discuss about the data system used in the statistics regularly in the medicine, and what are the types of data. So just with good example, I will discuss about the data statistics. So what is data? Data is the measurement of observations extracted to make some decisions. So whatever you do the study, either some sort of extraction, after that you will do the take some decisions whether it's good, bad, the trial is good or bad, but this is the based on the data. So data is a raw facts and figures. This is a very little meaning until they are sorted. They are also used to make calculations. The process of sorting and calculating data is called data processing. The result of data processing is information. So the data is very important. So what are the types of data we will understand. So either data may be a quantities, numbers, facts, observations, measurements, and presented with graphs. These are the informations. So this is data may be varies, but it is a looks messy. So what we have to do? So basically the divides into qualitative data and quantitative. Let's discuss the statistical data, either qualitative or quantitative data. Qualitative is non-numerical, quantitative is numerical, it is self-explained. So if you see the types of data, qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative data is the names, colors, smell, these are the qualitative data. But quantitative data, what is the shoe size, what is the weight of the students, weight of the height of the students, these are the called various quantitative data. If you divide the data into the qualitative and non-quantitative, so qualitative is the otherwise called categorical data, like color, gender, blood type, ethnicity. And all qualitative data may be ordinal, which is put in order, like a mild, moderate, severe, a grade 1, grade 2, grade A, grade B, grade C. That is called up order data. Nominal data, only mostly names, what are the eye colors, what is the blood type groupings. These are the called nominal data. But if you come to the numerical data or quantitative data, it may be continuous. Where do you measurements like age, weight, blood pressure? These are the measurements, proportions, percentages. These are the called continuous data. And discrete is the specific number, like what is the shoe size, what is the number of children, what is the n number. So that is called, so numerical data is the quantitative data, categorical data is the qualitative data. Quantitative is either maybe discrete or continuous, as I told. Discrete is a number and measurements are the continuous. So numerical data, as I told, quantitative data. So like age, weight, so it may be continuous. Maybe like what are measurements, proportions, and percentages. Discrete is the number, either maybe shoe size, number of children, like only single discrete number. Then qualitative data is the known as categorical data. A categorical data is divided into ordinal data and nominal data. Ordinal data is a result of order. Nominal data is the named data without any order. So if you see the categorical data made up of words, like not in the numbers, where eye color, gender, blood type, ethnicity. Ordinal, which is ordered, like severity, like mild, moderate, severe. Nominal data is the hierarchy. No hierarchy. Meaning means no grading or order. Maybe only directly names like eye color, what are the eye color, like a black, blue, dog breed, blood type, a group A, group B, these are the various nominal data. Having two values called binary data. Sometimes we get data yes or no, true or false. Like that, various things are there. That is called true or that is called binary data, like pass, fail, yes, no, true, false. The two options, when they have two options, it is called binary data. So let's again revise the things. Quantitative data. Quantitative data may be discrete or continuous. Discrete is a single number, like number of students in the class, number of workers in the company, number of runs in the baseball game. Continuous data, percentage, proportions, measurements, height of the children, speed of the cars. These are the measurements. Qualitative data, nominal data, there is no order, only names, hair color, ethnicity, gender, but ordinal data, some order like first, second, third, grading A, B, C, economic status, low, medium, high economic status, like that. There is qualitative data. Original data is called primary data, and data from primary is called secondary data. So whatever you data take from the extract from the study is called primary data, but somebody did study from the primary data and gotten any other data is called secondary data. So if you see the primary data is collected by the investigator in a particular purpose, is a fresh, original, reliable. Main sources, primary data, experiments, survey, researches. Collection is more expensive and exhaustive, are collected as per the requirement of investigator. Generally, primary data is due to high level of research activity. But secondary data is collected from the other sources. It's less reliable, less valid, less accurate, are like reports, books, magazines, newspapers, internet. Less expensive, have been collected on different objectives. Generally, secondary used for the low level research activities. So primary data is main data and more valuable data. Secondary data is not much valuable. So whatever you data, you can collect it. Collect data can be presented on a graph by like bar chart, pie chart, and many more graphs like histogram, cumulative, differential, bar graphs, box with whisker plots, pie charts, pictograms, spaghetti plot. These are the various data representations. So let's see some examples. How very simple examples I will tell you. So if a couple went to the divorce layer, and the divorce lawyer asked about the between their love affairs and fightings. Suppose what are the love affairs, how they love each other. So they found the love data. So doing love, it is called qualitative data. So they loved each other. It's a categorical data and qualitative data. Love amount, how much love you are doing, that is a quantitative data. If you in quantitative data, suppose in a day, how many times you tell love you to your partner, that is 5 times. But how many percentage of time, like 50% of the time over the year, 50% time you are staying at home, and like that percentage data is a continuous data. Doing love qualitative data, it may be like some people call it as a love, some people use it like a prem, some people use it like, some people use it affair. These are the various that is nominal data. Degree of love, like mild love, moderate love, severe love, that is called ordinal data. Sometimes they will ask whether you love or not. They will tell yes, no. So that is called binary data. So data collected from directly from the partners is called primary data. Data collected from the parents, how they love each other and everything, that is called secondary data. Now, if the couples are fighting, let's discuss in another way. If they're fight data, so fighting amount is quantitative. If they are fighting with 5 times, it is called discrete data, number. Over the year or period, particular time period, how long they fight, 50% of the time, 100% of the time. So this is called continuous data. Fighting is direct fighting is what is a qualitative data. It may be categorical. Some people it is called fight. Some people look at torture. That is a nominal data. Degree of fighting, mild, moderate, severe. It is called ordinal data. Sometimes they tell you fight, yes, no. So that is called binary data. And data collected from the partners are called primary data. Data collected from the parents, it is called the secondary data. So this is the very good way of explaining the data. So but by marriage is not to fight, just take it light, even you are right. So this is all things about the data. So husband, wife have a sole responsibility to care of one another. Thank you very much. This is the data about used in the statistics. Thank you.